Welcome to our guide on adding a new user in the LexisNexis Account Center tool. First, you can directly access the LexisNexis Account Center using your user ID and password. Alternatively, while signed into the Lexis service, click More in the upper right corner and then select LexisNexis Account Center. Once logged in, select Users at the top of the page. Next, select Manage Users. On the Users page, select Add User in the upper right corner. In the Add User page, click the drop-down for select the location you want to add the new user to. Next, enter the first name, last name, and email address for the user. Mandatory fields are marked with asterisks. Select Manually Selected Products or select Products from Template to identify the products the user will be authorized to use. If you select Manually Select Products, you will need to select the checkbox for each user-authorized product. If you select Select Products from Template, use the checkboxes for each template that includes the user-authorized products. Complete the Schedule User Creation. You can choose to create users now, this is the default, or you can schedule future date. You can select one or both options to email the ID and password to the end user and/or send the user ID and password to yourself. You have the option to specify a specific date for a user to be deleted or suspended. Select the default option Do Not Specify if there is no need to delete or suspend the user. Select Submit. You will receive a confirmation page. Select one of the following options on the confirmation page. Download user information, send user ID and password to me, back to user list, back to add user page. Thank you for using LexisNexis Account Center. Enjoy your day.